I had to go all the way back to the junkyard, which you guys probably don't realize, but it's about 20-25 minutes away to get this little plastic clip. Welcome back to another episode of Broken Mirror, guys. So today we're gonna try to tackle the last little bits left on this vehicle. So as you can see, this car's a little beat up. It's got some little edges here that aren't so pretty, but I'm not really worried about these too much. I'm gonna push some of these out from the inside. I do want to grab some matching spray paint to pretty up this bumper. Needs a couple little things, another weather stripping. This side's missing. We'll probably do, I don't know, maybe we'll do a little clear coat on the top of this. But right now what I want to do is actually jack up this rear end and see if the brakes are good. Either the brakes are stuck or the parking cable is stuck, but something is not moving. All right, guys, I'm just gonna get started. Let's do it. Sure, I showed you a quick little clip here that I ran to the junkyard. Honestly, I was gonna tape it, but it's just too dang hot today, man. The sun is beating me down, and I think I taped a few scenes, but after a while, I wanted to get out of there. I was dying. So anyway, I went to the junkyard and I got a few little items to finish this build up. I was trying not to go too deep, but I am also trying to make the car look like it wasn't a salvaged car, all beat up. Basically, I got the floor mats. I think they were $3 a piece, maybe 4. This little thing is cut, but it's okay. It's gonna basically just cover the back part where there's some stains. So basically just where all those stains are right there. I'm literally trying to just cover up a little bit. I did pick up this nice little shroud to cover this, so this won't look so ratchety and junky in the front anymore. It looks semi-decent, and it's gonna help to hold up this part of the bumper, so that's cool. Gonna do that. I grabbed an emblem, and then I got this little motor for the window. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know if the motor for the window is the actual problem. I started realizing on the way back that it might not be the problem, but I'm hoping. I picked up this little cup holder piece that goes in the center console over here. It's the piece that's missing here that makes this look kind of ugly. So I got that. All right, you know what, guys? I'm just gonna start cracking this out. Let's get at it. All right, guys, this window was kicking my butt. I had to go all the way back to the junkyard, which you guys probably don't realize, but it's about 20-25 minutes away to get this little plastic clip for the window regulator slide. So I'll show you what happened. So originally I thought it was the motor, and I think the motor probably went after this clip broke. I'm gonna guess someone probably when they were tinting the window, honestly, probably broke this clip. So this little clip right here that attaches to like this little knob. Oh, I still have to throw the pin in that. Oh, good thing I just realized that. So that little clip is like snapped in half. And because that snapped in half, it sent everything off as far as all the wiring to this motor. So then what happened in this motor is it skipped a thread and it bound up. Then what happened is because that bound up, it caused this motor to burn its brushes trying to go up and down. But now that it's fixed, in fact, I want to throw that clip in first before I get too excited and screw it all up again. So, where was that clip laying? Somewhere here. There it is. Okay. This little clip. Basically, you slide it in here like that, and then if the window isn't clipped, okay, now it is. So now the window's locked in. All right, let's try to put this baby up. Oh, sweet. Like a glove. It is working. Cool. All right, guys, so I am gonna button up this wiggle room a little bit. Then we'll get on to the rest of the car. All right, guys, it's the next day here. So I apologize, but apparently my camera started cutting out, the battery was dying, it was running out of footage as well last night. So what I did is I ended up taking out the headliner, because I'm sure you saw in one of the videos that it was literally hanging on my head. And I pulled out the whole board for it, and last night I vacuumed it off. I tried to even record vacuuming this off, but it was so dark out the light wouldn't even catch. Anyway, so vacuumed it off, and you can see just how filthy and grimy this thing is. Like, look at that, man. Not even vacuumed that. Anyway, the headliner was shot and I needed to find a good replacement, so I went to Walmart and I picked up these two guys. Now it's pretty close. The one I got is a little darker, but a little lighter also, because it has like hints of white in it. So I don't know, we'll see. But I ended up getting two of them. These are little like throw blankets that fit a twin size bed. See, fleece blanket. They were like $5 or $6 a piece. Now I got two because this thing is huge. Apparently it's about 110 inches from that side all the way to over here. And even with a king size blanket, it would only go to like 109, and that's not including all the curves and stuff. Unless I want to pay hundreds to get this done professionally. I paid 20 bucks, bought two, and we're going to put a little folded layer. My goal is to basically fold a line right here. So there's a little pinpoint dot here, and basically in the ceiling there's a little press pin that'll go right there. So my goal is to go along basically in the center of this, over that line to the center of the other one. So this should be like just above the headrests of the middle seats, and then the back seats will be like back in this area. The other reason that I wanted to meet right here is because this is a little joining piece. This is where plastic molding goes for both sides, like right next to the doors, the sliding doors. So having that structure where that fold is should keep it nice and taut, and basically just keep it up there. So hopefully that works. We'll see. I don't know. Like I said, it was 20 bucks. I picked up 2 cans of the spray adhesive, and they were about like 8 bucks a piece. So all in all, I think I'm in what, 20, yeah, like 20 bucks. 20, let's see, 16 plus $26. That's not bad. 26 bucks. I don't know. We'll see. Whatever it will hopefully be a heck of a lot better than a giant hanging curtain on our heads. All right, guys, let's get at it. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up another episode of Broke Premiere. I'd like to keep going, but obviously it's getting dark out. Judging by like the little scary ghost face I got going on right now. So basically, we did the headliner. It is here. It is 100% complete. I mean, it's looking sharp, guys. I can't even express how happy I am. This is the first time I've ever done a headliner, and it came out just bomb. It really did. You'll probably see a better shot of it in the next video. We have finished installing all the junkyard parts. Everything looks pretty. We got the floor mats. The next job is literally just to clean this up. So the last episode, we're gonna scrub it all up, kind of tidy up every little piece. We're gonna do some of the buffing, washing, things like that. And then we'll take it to go get smogged, list it, see how it goes. All right, guys, until next time, hope you have a wonderful week, few days, whenever I see you again. And yeah, we'll see you then. Later.